Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about the DHgate shopping app, and in today's video I will show you on how to delete your DHgate shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your DHgate app. Go ahead and click on your profile. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Go to account security. Go to delete my account. Read the article right here. Then go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on continue, and your account will be permanently deleted from DHgate shopping app. All your data, everything will be erased from their database. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your DHgate shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.